Hello guys, what's up? I'm Engineer AK, and today in this video I am going to show you that how we can find the components of force using scientific calculator, right? So let's see an example. So here I have taken um, force of magnitude 50 Newton, right? And the angle that is it is making with the x-axis is 33 degree, right? So now I wanna find the f of y component and f of x component, and we will see that how we can do it manually, and after that I will show you on scientific calculator that how you can easily find this, right? So let me select this one. Okay, so as we all know that f of x, I'm talking about this equation, f of x is equal to f of cos of theta, right? It is the x component is making cos theta, right? And by let plug in the values, so we have magnitude 50 Newton, right? And cos angle is 33 degree, right? So let plug in these values in calculator. So let me bring it a bit here, right? So we have force 15 Newton, right? And then multiply by cos 33 degree, so we are getting 41.93, right? So let me plug in the values here. Okay, 1 minute. So the values comes out as 41.93, right? So 41.93, right? Now for the next, for the y component, we have formula f of sine of theta, right? So again here I am putting the magnitude at 50 as I have mentioned here, right? And angle is 33 degree, right? So let's again plug in the values. So I am putting as 50 multiplied by sine 33 degree, right? So I get 27.23. Let me plug in the value 27.23, right? Now we have seen that how we find manually the component of the force, right? If we were given a force, then how we will find the the component of that force, right? Now let's see how we can directly find these component using scientific calculator, right? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to press the mode, right? And yeah, one thing another, and this is the model f of fx570. This is the model that I am using, right? So what you have to do, first you have to select mode, then you have to select the second one, complex number, right? Now here we can see it is activated, the complex mode, right? Now first we have to put the magnitude, that is 50, right? Then you have to put the angle. So for angle we can see the sign here, right? Here, but and this is the brown one, so the brown's commands are activated by pressing the shift. So first we will press shift, and then we will press the shift key, and the angle is 33, Here we go. So we can see that the first is 41.93, and here it gave the same answer, 41.93. and the second, it is with iota, as we have activated the complex mode, so it is 27.23, and here we can see 27.323. so through this we can easily find the components of the given force. Let's see another example in order to check whether this technique works or not. So here I have taken in another force, right, that has a magnitude of 100, and it is inclined at or making 55 degree with positive x-axis, right, and this is the positive y-axis, right, and this is the positive x-axis. Now let me plug in, so we again know that f of x is equal to f of cos of theta, and I have here put the values 100 cos of 55 degree. So let plug in the values. Let me wait. So if I plug in the values, so let me first make it clear. Okay, so 100 cos of 55, so we are getting 57.35. Oops, hold. Okay, 57.35, right, here we go. And for cos, now for the y component I am putting just sine, so I'm getting 81.9, what was it, 81.91, right, so the y component 81.91, right. Now let's check this through calculator directly. The first we have to press the mode, then complex mode, right, and here you will see that complex mode is on. Now first put the magnitude, then press the shift for activating the angle command, right, and put the angle. Here we go. So we get for f of x 57.35, and here we can see it is also 57.35, and for the second one, f of y component, I'm getting 81.91, right here. So this is the method that how you can directly find the component of the given force, right. So thank you for watching, and see you in next video.